Hey everybody, Alex here with the Realtor. Happy Monday. I'm getting a lot of compliments on my shirt today. Thank you. I do love it. It's a little hot for a button-up, but my closet is what you would call a hot mess express. I really need to go shopping, and I'm having a hard time putting outfits together that are made for hot weather and are professional. So today I get this hot pink button-up along with raggedy ripped up shorts. And I got sparkly shoes on, of course, but that's how I'm rocking today. I'm really pumped up because I just got done meeting with a first-time home buyer. I will tell you what, guys, I love sitting down and meeting with people who have all types of real estate goals, buying, selling, building, investing, relocating. But I have a special place in my heart for first-time home buyers. And I think that's because I built the majority of my business, my early years, on sitting down and working with first-time buyers. And I really developed a sincere passion for learning about people's goals and building, genuine connections with people and helping them in that case. So nothing gets me more excited than sitting across the table from someone looking to buy their first house. I get overwhelmed in a good way, I promise. But I really, truly I don't just sell houses, I help people, and that's what I seriously love about my job. So anyway, Sarah, thank you for the opportunity to help you. I am very much looking forward to helping you purchase your first home. And then I had a seller just leave here, one of my clients right now, who just a little bit of a strategy meeting, I guess you could say. I have 3 listings right now, guys, that are active. One's been active for the weekend, the other for about a week and a half, the other for almost 3 weeks. And I will share with you that the activity has been a little bit slower. I would say mildly paced, moderately paced, nothing crazy, okay? So not like 50 plus showings, 28 plus offers. I would say it's a little bit more of a balance. So, and I don't sit here trying to say that to anybody looking to sell to scare you, because it is still a great time to sell just as well it is a great time to buy. At the end of the day, it really comes down to you and what your ultimate goal is, because only you know the answer to if it's the right time for you to do it or not. But yeah, I mean, the real estate market, we're seeing a little bit of a shift, and in my opinion, it's not a bad thing. We could not stay steady pace at what we have been for the last 2 years. So yeah, I mean, it's a great time to buy and it's a great time to sell. And it really just comes down to what your goals are. So I had a very busy week last week. I had 4 listing appointments, showings. This last weekend I had showings. I did get an offer accepted for a buyer with $5,000 in closing costs. Very excited about that because we haven't seen that in a while. So again, that's a little bit of a hint that things are starting to shift a little bit. And then I had, what else did I have? Oh, today's Derek's birthday. So if anybody knows of a place to go eat, please let me know, because we're looking for one. And then I had, like I said, that buyer meeting today. I have a builder meeting on Wednesday. I have showings literally all day tomorrow. So I'm gonna be on the road all day. But it's busy. Life's good. I'm unpacked in my house. Things getting settled. And Max's birthday party is this weekend. So yeah, it's gonna be a good week. So if you guys have any questions at all regarding real estate, obviously, I hope you call me. But have a wonderful day and cheers.